Alright, YouTube, we're going to open the Blue DS now. Here's the box for this one. Alright, where is this side? That's what this one looks like. Okay. Same thing, comes with a manual with some codes. Charger. Comes with AR cards. I don't know what those are. Figure it out later. Here's the Blue DS. Oh, the blue's really nice too. I got two red because red's my favorite color. Pens over here. Giant screens. Buttons feel good. It's gonna be hard to soft reset with this. Some big rubber bands. Alright, let's move this to the side. Let's see what a shiny video from X and Y would feel like. Hopefully the 3DS games will take the whole screen, because there's about a fingernail's worth of the screen not being used. You can see the DS here, and that whole black is nothing. Let's see what I have here. Let's play with you guys. Volume's not very loud on the max volume. Yeah, it is. Never mind. Excited to play X and Y, ready to play, ready to shiny hunt. Let's get one double battle in. Alright, those are the two limited edition DS's and the third one. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for those shiny vids in October.